Hello viewers, hello students, welcome to our Tube Education. I am Belkis of your maths teacher. Today we will solve last three questions of exercise 13.3. So at first question number 7. A cylindrical bucket 32 centimeter high and with radius of base 18 centimeter. Suppose question number 7. Suppose this is a cylindrical bucket. Given that 32 centimeter high. This height is equal to 32 centimeter and radius of base 18 centimeter. This radius 18 centimeter is filled with sand. This cylindrical bucket is filled with sand. This bucket is emptied on the ground and a conical heap of sand is formed. That means this bucket unloaded on the ground and after unloading made a conical heap using this sand. Like that. After unloading made a conical heap using this sand. And given that height of this conical heap is 24 centimeter. This height is equal to 24 centimeter. And find the radius and slant height of the hip. You have to find this radius and this slant height. This L and this R. So volume of this conical hip is equal to volume of this cylinder because this conical hip is made of use this sand. Are you getting my point, students? This conical hip is made using this sand. So given that radius of cylindrical bucket is equal to 18 centimeter. Suppose this is R1 and height of cylindrical bucket, suppose this is H1 is equal to 32 centimeter and height of conical hip, suppose this is H2 is equal to 24 centimeter. Let radius of conical hip, suppose this is R2, conical hip be R2 and slant height of conical hip be L. So by the given condition, volume of sand in the cylindrical bucket is equal to volume of sand in the conical hip. Volume of sand in conical hip. So that means volume of sand in the cylindrical bucket, that means pi r square h. This implies pi r1 square h1 is equal to 1/3 volume of sand in conical hip, 1/3 pi r square h, that means r2 square h2, pi cancel out. This implies r2 square is equal to 3 r1 square h1 upon h2. Now just put the value. 3 r1 means 18. 18 into 18 into 20, 32. upon 24. 3 8s are 24. 4 8s are 32. So that means R2 is equal to root over 18 into 18 into 4. That means 2 into 2. That means is equal to 18 into 2. That means 36 centimeter. So that's the radius of this conical hip. Now you have to find the slant height L. L is equal to root over h square plus r square. That means h2 square plus r2 square. Now just put the value h2. h2 means 24. So 24 square plus r2. r2 means 36 square. Is equal to 24 square is equal to 576 plus 36 square is equal to 1296. 576 plus 1296 1872. Now 1872 taking LCM 9 2s are 18, 9 8s are 72. 4 5s are 20, 4 2s are 8. 4 1s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So that means 9, that means 3 into 3, 4 into 4 into 13. That means 3 4s are 12 root over 13 centimeter. That's the slant height. Now next question number 8. Water in canal 6 meter wide and 1.5 meter deep is flowing with a speed of 10 km per hour. So given that a canal question number 8. A canal. So like a cuboid shape, suppose this is a canal. This canal. So this canal flows, water flows inside it. Water flows inside it, and given that 6 meter wide, that means breadth of this canal 6 meter. This is 6 meter, and height of this canal 1.5 meter. This height of this canal 1.5 meter. How much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes? So they said that this flowing water, how much area will it cover in 30 minutes? Suppose this is a canal and water flow like that. So they said that this flowing water, how much area will cover in 30 minutes? Suppose this area will cover. So you have to find the area of this portion. And given that if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed, this is not a rectangular shape. This is a cuboid shape. So there will also be some height of water. So given that this height is equal to 8 centimeter. So this type of question, at first find the volume of this canal. So what's the volume of this canal? I'm just doing the main calculation. Volume of canal is equal to L into B into H. L into B into H. That means length. But what's the length of this canal? So here given that speed S is equal to 10 kilometer per hour. So speed, that means distance is equal to speed into time. So distance means speed 10 into time 30 minutes. Given that how much area will irrigate in 30 minutes. So T is equal to 30, change in hour, that means 60. Three cancel out. So that means 5 kilometer. So distance is equal to 5 kilometer. That means this is the length. This is equal to length. That means L is equal to 5, B is equal to 6 and H is equal to 1.5. But this is 5 kilometer. So you have to change in meter. So 5 kilometer is equal to kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So you have to change kilometer to meter. That means you will need 3 zeros. Hectometer, decameter, meter. That means 5000 meter. So this is 5000. 0 cancel out. 5 6 are 30. 3 15s are 45. 3 0. 4 5 3 0 meter cube. This is the volume of canal. Now, volume of this area. This is, you have to find the area of this portion. So let the irrigate area be a meter square. Let irrigate area be a meter square. So here L into B into H is equal to 4 5 000. So you have to find this area. Area means length into breadth. So A into H is equal to 4 5 000. This implies A is equal to, area is equal to by H. So here height is equal to 8 centimeter. Not this height, because given that area will, how much area will irrigate in 30 minutes if 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. So 8 centimeter, that means 4 5. 8 centimeter, that means 0.08 meter. 4 5 0 0 0 0.08 100 5 5 8s are 40 5 50 5 6 are 48 2 20 5 2s are, sorry, 8 2s are 16 4 40 8 5s are 40. That means 5 6 2 5 5 6 2 5 0 0 5 6 2 5 0 0 meter square. That's the required answer. That means that's the area of this portion, this flowing water, where 8 centimeter of standing water is needed. Now last question, question number 9. A farmer connect a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter, form a canal into a cylindrical tank in her field. So they had told us a farmer connect a pipe of internal diameter 20 centimeter, form a canal into a cylinder. Suppose this is a question number 9. Suppose this is a canal and this is a pipe which is cylindrical shape into a cylinder. So a farmer connect a pipe from a canal into a cylindrical tank, and given that this diameter 20 centimeter, that means R is equal to 10 centimeter, and also given that this diameter is equal to 10 meter. That means suppose this is R1, that means radius is equal to 5 meter, and height, this height, this is 2 meter. Now if water flows through the pipe, at the rate of 3 km per hour, so speed is equal to 3 km per hour. So in how much time the tank be filled? You have to find the time, in how much time the tank will be filled. So at first find the volume of this cylindrical tank. Volume of cylindrical tank is equal to pi r square h. Pi r2 square h. Suppose this is h2. So here 22 upon 7, r2 means 5 meter. So you change it centimeter. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So meter to centimeter, that means 20. That means 500 centimeter into 500 square, r2 square, and h2 means 2 meter, that means 200 centimeter. So that's the volume of cylindrical tank. Now volume of this cylindrical pipe, volume of cylindrical pipe is equal to pi r1 square h1. So here 22 upon 7 r1 square, that means radius 10, that means 10 into 10. But what's the height? So we are given that so here height means distance. How much distance? So given that speed is equal to 3 km per hour, so distance is equal to speed upon time. That means 3 km per 1, that means 3 km. So distance is equal to 3 km. That means that's the height. Now change kilometer to centimeter. So kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. Kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0 centimeter. So h1 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0. So now the required time required time T is equal to volume of cylindrical tank upon volume of cylindrical pipe. So volume of cylindrical tank upon volume of cylindrical pipe. So this is the volume of cylindrical tank upon volume of cylindrical pipe. That means, sorry, this is the volume of cylindrical pipe. So what's the volume of cylindrical tank? That means 22 upon 7. R, that means 500 into 500, and H means 200. So volume of cylindrical tank upon volume of cylindrical pipe. Now 22 by 7 cancel out. 20, 40, 60, 2, 4, 5, 0 and 1, 6, 0. Cancel out. 5 2s are 10, 2, 2 cancel out. That means 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3. 5 upon 3, that means is equal to 5 upon 3 hours. So 5 by 3 hour, that means 1 plus 2 by 3 hour. 1 plus 2 by 3 hour. So change in minute, that means 1 hour 60 minute. 2 by 3 hour, that means 2 by 3 into 60 minute. So 60 plus 40 minute is equal to 100 minute. That's the answer. So now next exercise 13.4. Exercise 13.4. Since exercise 13.4 has been removed from CBSE syllabus in this year, that's why we will not solve this exercise in this year. Thank you.